Any conversation taken out of context will change its meaning. So always when you are looking at a conversation, it's always you have to see that what is the background, in what context it is spoken, and more so importantly, what is the intention behind the kind of conversation. So a lot of times misconceptions, misunderstandings happen not only in close relationships, even with outside people when you are interacting. A lot of times the conversation is looked at from your perspective, the way you look at things, especially when the person who is speaking is a stranger, not very close to you. You always look at the conversation from your perspective. So it is always the meaning that you derive from the conversation is the way you look at things, from the way your state of mind is. And then ending up in saying that, it is very judgmental, or it is very derogatory, or it is not justified, makes no meaning. So how do you really make out what is that the person is trying to say? The main thing is the observation, able to look at the person from in various contexts, and then how the person is the person really intend to hurt you, or is it out of goodwill? Sometimes, let us say, if you look at a simple context, when your parent scolds you, it's not always that the parent want to hurt you, isn't it? The parent also has a good intention that they want to convey the meaning, and then scolding is part of showing or extending their affection towards you. So it's always important that you observe the person in different contexts, and very importantly, the intention behind the words is very important. So if you fail to catch the intention of the words, the intention of the person, any number of negative meanings that you can derive out of it. So it's important that you look at the conversation from its context, the kind of intention with which the person has spoken it, and it's important to have a good observation of the person's behavior and the relation that you hold with the person over a period of time, if it is in close relationships. A lot of times misunderstandings happen more so within family members. Even though they understand the intention of the person, sometimes the misunderstandings happen because of your own state of mind, which you should be able to take a little time. Is the person really intend to hurt you? Is the person really have a goodwill for you? You need to take time before you actually come to a conclusion that the other person is malicious, the other person is, trying to do bad things to you. It's important that you have that little observation, little introspection into the background. And most of the times when you are commenting on other people's behavior, or when you are talking ill of other people's behavior, always keep this in mind, that taking part of the conversation or few sentences and trying to draw a conclusion is not a very healthy way of interacting with people. Thank you.